Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. Let me share my screen. Okay. Uh, Today, we are going to discuss about the certification maintenance exams. Okay. So first of all, we have to log in Pilot Academy, and there you have to go with your profile. So here, you can see a profile. Okay. So just hit on that profile name. So here, you can see list of for certifications you have earned before. Okay. So here, you can see these are the three maintenance exam has been due for the April 16, 2027. Okay. So what we need to do means we need to complete these three certifications maintenance exams before April 16, 2027. Okay. So let's consider you can take Salesforce CPQ, I mean administrator exam. Okay. So just hit on this complete maintenance exam here button. If you hit on this one, it will go differently. Just hit on this complete maintenance. So now you can see CPQ Administrator Certification Spring 26. Okay, so they should be 15 minutes. Now go with that certification exam. So I already went these all the paragraphs and key points, etc. Okay, so I already completed these configuration in my personal dev org. So if you want, you can configure that. So or else you can follow my videos so that you can able to clear all these questions at a time. Okay, so instead of that, I can go with directly to the quiz point, and there, I'm going to give some answers, you can make it note, and you can complete your certification maintenance exam. Okay, so total, we have seven, yep, so seven questions we have. So let we'll complete these all the seven questions. Okay, so I already went these all the questions, so directly I'm putting the answers here. So if you have time, then you can go through all these questions, answers, and keywords in the top, which they mentioned in top. Okay, so you can complete there. Okay, and we have three more questions. Okay, okay, and last one. Yeah. So you can cross verify the answers. So everything should be correct or not. Okay, so now we need to hit on that verify. So you have successfully completed this one. Okay, thanks for watching.